Hey there, I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned out here to get a tire that has popped its bead. See, a small tire has popped off its wheel, but I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get that back on. A lot of the times this works, and all you need is, well, of course, the air hose to put air into the tire and a ratchet strap. So I'm going to go ahead and put this ratchet strap around the tire, just like this. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze this tire, at least that's the idea, hard enough that it forces the bead to meet up at least to some extent. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and pull this tight. See how that is there? Looks like I need to flip this around. That should be right. Let me turn this over. Looks like someone put this strap through here wrong. Let me get this set up a little bit better and I'll come back. Okay, so I got the strap fed through the correct way. Now we should just be able to ratchet strap this. Just like you normally would, and you want this bead to kind of meet up. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and pry that this direction. Alright, so I got myself a screwdriver. Go ahead, stick it under here and work on prying this rubber back out a little bit. Something the matter with that cat. Alright, so this is not fantastic. I'm having trouble getting it past right here. Okay, so we have like a semi-seal all the way along this edge. I'm going to go ahead and take the cap off here. See if we can get some air put into the thing. Whoops. Okay, so we got some air in. But we don't want to put in too much air, otherwise our ratchet strap will get stuck. So I'm going to loosen that. And as you can see, I think it's holding some air. So we're going to go ahead and add in some more. So we can take our strap entirely off now. And as you can see, that bead, it's holding the air, but as you can see, it's still pushed in a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and keep adding in air until that pops out. I'm going to gently pry this so it can scoot over to where it needs to be. See, it's still got, there's still a little bit of a gap here that we don't really want. So I'm just kind of working it, and the pressure that's in the tire right now is pushing it back over and seating it properly against the main frame of the wheel. So again, I'll just show you that here. Just kind of lifting it. Slowly working it out to where it needs to be. And I think this tire needs like 15 psi, but we'll go ahead and check that real quick. It's always my favorite part, is trying to find how much pressure it needs. Maybe it's easier to see on the other one. Yeah, I think it's about 15. So Gonna check my pressure. Looks like we're at about 15 already, so that is good, and that is how you can get the bead seated back on to the tire after it's been popped off. So anyway, got to get back to work. Hope that you found this helpful, and if you ever have this problem, that's a simple way you can sometimes get it fixed. Talk to you later.